Hey guys, it's Monkey Boo and Pete, and today we're gonna have some fun. I believe Boo's gonna play a game of keep away. I'm gonna get him. He's running around. Oh, he let me catch him. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Oh, you're silly, Boo. You're silly. You got all this stuff to play on and play with, and you just want to wrestle with Daddy. Look. He's a silly little monkey. I'm gonna mop the floor, Monkey Boo. Look, let's do the monkey sides, remember? So look out, Gage, I'm coming that way. Give me that ball. Give me that ball. Let me have it. Hee hee. It's Curious George, Boo. But what do you know about Curious George? Hey, don't. Tell me. Oh. You got your ball? And he's smiling. Yeah. Oh boy, he's happy. Yeah. Really? Why? Oh. Oh, I scratched his back. You talking to me? Oh. He's such a sweet little boy. Oh. He's like, I'm having my daddy time without Monkey Happy, my little brother. Yeah. There he goes. Yay, Boo. Give me that ball. Give me that ball. Boo said he's going to try it for the Dolphins this year. Oh, look what I've caught here. Caught me a Capuchin. Oh, he's a feisty little guy. Oh, he's a squirmer, he is. And Boo just loves this ball. He thinks it's a green apple. Give me that ball. You too. Give me that ball. Oh, look. I'm having tickling. Tickle, tickle. But you're silly. Fun. Really? Alright. Tickles. He's like, keep tickling. Alright, this has been fun, but we played some keep away and we did some monkey tickles, and Boo's doing some kind of crazy monkey split. He's checking his legs. Alright, Boo, you got a kiss for Daddy? I bet he does. Good boy, shake my hand. Good boy. Alright guys, thanks for watching Monkey Boo. We'll see you next video. I'm gonna slide him one more time. Ready, Boo? Clean the floor.